Hi everyone, we're back with the next part of our personal expertise writer's notebook digital. So we have our topic. Remember, I was doing kayaking. This is my sample. You might be doing dogs or cats or whatever you're good at, some sport. My chapter 1 was describing a kayak. Chapter 2 was how to get into a kayak. Chapter 3 was kayaks versus canoes. So right now I'm going to be working on describing a kayak. So when you do descriptive writing, you're telling about what it looks like, what it's made of, what kind of, what it's good for. It just depends on what you're writing about. And since I'm doing a kayak, I'm going to talk about what it's made out of and what you use it for a little bit. So you click over to slide 5 and I put my topic sentence here. Kayaks are very low to the water type boats. So kayaks are basically boats. And that's what I'm going to tell you for chapter 1 about how they are types of boats. And then I need 3 supporting detail type sentences. So I said, kayaks are made of polyethylene resin. And then I put a little comma here, and I'm going to tell you the description. A type of plastic, and then another comma, and are shaped using a mold. So let me just make this a little bigger so you can see this. All right, so my first sentence was kayaks are low to the water type boats. My supporting detail is they are made of polyethylene resin, which is a type of plastic. I used the definition after the word and shaped using a mold. Also notice that I made these words bold words, this one here, and the mold. So I'm going to talk about those in a glossary. The next supporting detail, kayaks do not have motors like many other boats. They are propelled through the water by the person using the kayak with a paddle. And I put the word paddle here. So even after this, I could write something like a paddle is, and then tell what a paddle is. For the next supporting detail, I said that kayaks sit low to the water and have a hole in front to drain any excess water. The hole is called a scupper hole. I think I'm actually going to make scupper hole a bold word. And I think what I will do is I'm going to go up here to where the B is. I'll make it bold. Double click in the word and then make it bold. So that's how you make a bold word. And I think I'm going to use that in my glossary. So I have several words on here that are just specific to kayaking or this specific kind of boating, and I will use those in my glossary.